What is a nice pepper soup without its African spices? Welcome to Cook with Grace Kisui. So in today's video, we'll be making Nigerian pepper soup. So I have my crayfish, pepper, ginger, and onions. So I add everything all together in my blender and I blend. Okay. Don't forget that cleanliness is next to godliness. Let's wash your hand before you cook it. Then in a clean pot, I add my goat meat, all intestine and the rest of them. I like to boil for some time. Then I added all those blended ingredients, the pepper, the crayfish, and the rest of them. So if today is your first time watching me, you're welcome. And this is Cook with Grace Kisui. So and today's haul go to Evelyn watching from Lagos. I hope you love our recipe. Thank you for always watching Cook with Grace Kisui. So let's continue. I added my nut chicken. If not be no, it cannot be no. I take and adjusted the water. Okay, I added more water and I washed my yam, peeled my yam and pour in. Now this pepper soup is very spicy. If you are the type that don't eat spicy food, be mindful of the pepper you add. Then I add my African spicy, then add my Cameroon black pepper. Yes, because this is pepper soup and remember this is Najia pepper soup. Added my salt and check the test if it is okay and I cover allow it to cook. Okay. So guys, please tell us where you're watching from so that I could send you a hug in my next video. At this juncture, our pepper soup is ready. Our yam is okay. And I added my fresh scented which I got from our garden, and our pepper soup is ready. I love you guys and I hope you love the recipe and you'll be giving it a try. See you guys in my next video. Bye.